Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish sausage. Begin by gathering firm white fish, ice, salt, a grinder, and casings. Keep fish cold and trimmed of bones and skin. Grind twice for a smooth texture and add binder, spices, and flavors gradually while monitoring temperature. Stuff mixed meat into casings evenly and twist into links or form loaves. Chill or poach gently until internal temperature reaches safe level for serving. Prepare a clean station and chill all utensils to protect protein and texture. Trim fish meticulously to remove bones and skin, then cool on ice to maintain a low temperature. Use measured salt, binder, and seasoning to create structure and flavor without overworking the meat. Grind the fish in batches and return to ice between grinds. Mix gently until the paste becomes tacky, then test a small pat for seasoning and texture. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical recipes. Quick recommendation: Darn Tough socks are made for comfort and longevity, and they come with a lifetime warranty that feels as dependable as a well-made casing. Pick a pair that matches your kitchen pace and comfort needs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cook fish sausages slowly using poaching or steaming to avoid casing split and dry texture. Monitor internal temperature to ensure safety and stop cooking as soon as target is reached. Cool finished sausages quickly in an ice bath to firm up and lock in moisture. Slice when chilled for clean cuts or sear briefly to add color. Store sealed in the fridge for short-term or freeze for longer keeping and label with date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.